This listing brought to you by the Elson team at Remax Ability Plus. Lots of updates in this 4-bedroom 2-bath ranch in popular Hunters Glen. Maintenance-free porcelain floors in kitchen/breakfast and family rooms. New carpet in all bedrooms. Cathedral ceiling in fam room west/floor to ceiling brick wood burning fireplace and slider to large patio overlooking open backyard. Updated kitchen west/quartz countertops, glass backsplash and greenhouse window box. Eating area large enough for table and 6 chairs. Living room, or dining room, west/beautiful picture window. Owner's suite features 2 closets and updated bath west/custom shower insert. Roof/gutters new, 2020, water heater, 4 years, heat pump, 7 years footings already under patio for future sunroom. No mandatory HOA. Convenient to shopping, dining and interstate travel.